This is Numonenki, the present chairman NUJ. Certainly. Yes.
In this compound, yeah.
Yeah, I've been living in this compound over 2 years plus now. I've never experienced such disastrous one before. That was about past 11 yesterday. I was sleeping already. They heard this loud sound and vibration all over. Rushed out. I rushed the other way. Because I stay up there. I rushed the other way to check. So my mom went back, oh, your car. So I just peeped from the window and saw all this stuff. I was so traumatized, and a security guy called me that I should come and see what has happened. So I came down and discovered that there was a dynamite.
Your name?
Kingsley.
Kingsley who?
Kingsley Ikiogha.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm the owner of the car.
Thank you.